Welcome to Austin, the state capital of Texas, located in what is referred to as the Texas Hill Country. In this video, we will spend the day showing you some of our favorite things to do in the city, from visiting the state capitol to a round of mini golf to enjoying the arts and more. Join us on our tour of the ATX.
Today we are in Austin, Texas, and of course you can't start touring Austin, Texas without checking out the Capitol.
The Texas Capitol is surrounded by approximately 22 beautiful acres of land, upon which you will find a number of historic monuments. In fact,
Texas officials began a restoration of the grounds in 1996. The Great Walk and Oval Walk were reconstructed to their original appearance. More than 180 native trees and hundreds of plants were installed. The cast iron pole lighting and iron fencing were restored. The grounds restoration also repaired commemorative monuments celebrating Texas history and its diverse culture.
the Texas Capitol is widely recognized as one of the nation's most distinguished state capitals and was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1970. It was also designated a National Historic Landmark in 1986. The Capitol's dome stands at an impressive 302 feet high, and although it is painted and molded to resemble stone, the dome itself is a metal construction, which was an intentional design choice meant to reduce its overall weight. Additionally, the carved wooden door frames are gilded with elaborately designed bronze hinges that accentuate the beauty of the less hidden features of the building.
After you've seen the Capitol, now you're ready to explore Austin, Texas. The grounds are beautiful themselves. It's also a really nice day.
It's a beautiful day.
After leaving the Texas Capitol, we made our way south to enjoy an Austin classic.
For the past 75 years, it's called the corner of South Lamar and Barton Springs Road home.
Peter Pan Mini Golf is a family-owned business that has been in operation as an Austin landmark since 1948. The property showcases two separate courses, with each having its own unique obstacles.
It's a singing ant on a taco. You want to talk about it? Oh, yeah. You hit that ball like y'all got ground beef. Nez got 65. I wound up with 57. Who's the winner?
After an exhilarating round of mini golf, we took some time to look at some of the city's famous outdoor works of art, its murals. We then made our way over to the Zilker Park area.
We are at the Umlauf Sculpture Garden Museum.
At the Umlauf Sculpture Garden and Museum, set on 2 acres above Zilker Park, you can run your hands over the sculptures for a sensory connection to Charles Umlauf's passion.
Charles Umlauf was a noted 20th century American sculptor who taught at the University of Texas here for 40 years. He came down from Chicago in 1941 and lived here until he died in 1994. His sculpture is easily accessible. It's primarily figurative. And as you get comfortable with the figurative pieces, then you relax and begin to understand and appreciate the more abstract pieces that he did as well.
The Umlauf Sculpture Garden and Museum, located next to the well-known Zilker Park, is an outdoor sculpture garden centered on the artistic works of sculptor Charles Umlauf. Visitors are allowed to walk right up to the sculptures and even to touch them, and the garden is designed to bring art and nature together in serene harmony, with the waterfall and streams located on the grounds meant to drown out any noise from nearby traffic. The museum also features an indoor space that we were told is always being updated with new exhibits.
From the Umlauf Sculpture Garden, we are now at the Elisabet Ney Museum.
In Austin's Hyde Park neighborhood, there's a small castle off of 44th Street.
The Elisabet Ney Museum is located in the small castle that used to house the studio of sculptor Elisabet Ney, an iconoclastic German artist who moved to the Austin area in 1882. As a fitting tribute, the castle now showcases her life and works.
Winding staircase. Tiny stairs all the way up. And this room has a little fireplace here, a little door where the books, I guess, would go in. It's the tower that looks out over the property. It was the husband's study, Nez says. But they used to have over here a little typewriter and you could leave messages, and they have now done away with it. Whew. This is still worth visiting. It is It's so cool to go through a historic home to see all of the works of art that she created. It's a fun visit. You should definitely check it out.
The City of Austin offers plenty of varied activities, from swimming at Barton Springs to attending a live music event. With so many options, there is sure to be something going on to suit your tastes. We chose to listen to a lecture by Richard Dawkins on his new work, The Genetic Book of the Dead. And in addition to all of the shopping that can be done on South Congress, it is the South Congress Bridge itself that provides a unique experience at dusk each night from March through November. There are boat and kayak tours available for those interested, but you can also just stand on the bridge itself if you get there early enough. As sunset approaches, you will be able to hear the bats wake and prepare for their nighttime flight. A few will trickle out at first, but then a dam will break and you will see a cascade of the migratory Mexican free-tailed bats as they come streaming out from under the South Congress Bridge. It's a must-do for anyone visiting Austin for the first time, and always a nice way to end the day in the Texas capital. Until next time.